She's trying so hard to nap. We just keep making too much noise. You hear her snoring? She's like dreaming. She's so spoiled rotten. She's got her own pillows. Her little smile is so cute. We fell in love with her because of her underbite. Her little teeth stick out. She's so cute. She is half pug and half chihuahua. Very sweet-natured dog. She's never bitten anybody. She doesn't yap at your ankles when people come over. And she snores so hard. Oh, she's dreaming. I wonder what she's after. So she's 4 years old now. And she lets us know if anything's going on outside. If people drive up, she lets us know. But once the door opens and she sees them, she's so excited. She thinks they're here to see her. That was just mean, Katie. It's all right, baby.
I love you, Dixie.
She's like, really, heifer? I was all sleeping and snoring. Her little name tag. If you guys know anybody that makes these little dog name tags like this, they actually were able to put a picture of her on her tag. I would like to order more because we've moved and I have new updated information I would like to add. And we have another dog outside I need to order some for, so. Oh, she's gonna cuddle back in. Bless her heart. She's so tired. She worked so hard to protect us. We love our puppy, y'all. She's rotten. Just wanted to share.